Identifying the root causes of the void help us in addressing it effectively. Okay, these are the areas of lesson learned. The third point in ineffectiveness of temporal solution, quick fix. Okay, that I call it quick fix. So seeking fulfillment seeking fulfillment in temporal and worldly things is ultimately unfulfilling. That they are ineffective temporal solutions because it will shrink the body elasticity, and then you will spend more money to go and refill it every now and again. It doesn't make sense. Praise the Lord. It doesn't make sense. So please know what is right and good. Okay. So the other aspect is God healing power. God is a healer who binds up our wounds, our scars, and restore our broken hearts.